Good morning, besties. Good morning, good morning, good morning. As y'all can see, I'm in my kitchen because, I had to get my coffee. I had to have that morning cup. So, I am in my kitchen recording this because I want to tell everyone thank you. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate y'all so much. I love y'all from the bottom of my heart. I love you. I thank you. That's really all I can say is I love you and I thank you because you all flooded me with prayers and encouragement, and I so needed it. You guys think that I encourage you and that I uplift you, but trust me, you guys uplift me, you encourage me, you keep me going on this journey because your girl is getting real tired and YouTube is hard work. And it's getting rougher to do it. And when I see the comments and I see you all cheering me on and you're appreciating what it is that I'm putting out there and you're telling your friends and you're sharing it, it helps me to keep going. Today's video is also special because it's a collaboration with my YouTube bestie, Miss Melissa from Melissa's house. She has one kiddo. She does homemaking. She does vlogs, day in the lives, clean with me, all that good stuff. And her little one is so cute. She just runs around. And I'm telling you, I've never seen a child with that many princess dresses. I've never seen it, but she has a collection. So I'm telling y'all, go over, check her channel out, especially to see those dresses because they're very pretty. I'm like, oh my goodness, I've never seen those before. But anyway, she does the same thing that I do, just on a different scale, and you'll enjoy her channel. Trust me, you'll enjoy her channel. If you're coming over from her channel, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I hope you all hang out, stay, chill, watch till the end. Subscribe, like, comment, do all that good stuff to my OGs, my besties, my day ones. You all are awesome. You all are extremely awesome. My mother-in-law is home and she's great. Thank you so much for all your prayers. Thank you so much for the love. I appreciate each and every single one of you. You all just don't understand. You all keep me pushing. You really keep me pushing. I thank you. My OG besties, my day one besties, the new besties. I appreciate y'all. There's like nothing else I can say. There are no more words to express my gratitude. So, it is what it is. I appreciate y'all and I love y'all so much. Thank you. And now, you know what it is. You know what we do. Let's get it.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. and I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day, so I never saw your face. Set the potato, boy, sunlight that always stays, dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Shopping the girl, I brought a girl on my Vespa. She said I already told ya, yeah, yeah. I never dated a black guy. I said you're brown yourself. Let me offer help. Come on inside, where everybody knows your name. Everybody knows your name. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play. something to but yeah. Sunlight that always stays in and by the waterway. It's that sweet life, sweet life, sweet life. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. Yeah. Shut up, I got the bed,
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
You don't mean nothing to me. E-boys like you every dinner. I don't believe what you preach. You're just a rookie beginner. Hang out with boys in the street. Like that will make you a winner. I don't believe what I see. Are you wearing gold?
And I didn't grab any. I was trying to get out the store. Ready?
Yes.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday
Yay! All right, let's
give me a knife out of
let's
that.
eviscerate the cake now.
You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young stupid fool. Take off all your clothes. You're nothing more than silverware. Why you calling me honey? Why you show off your money? Wave it like it's a tissue. Baby, this is your issue. I'm not falling for bullshit. If you like me, then say it. You don't get that I see through this facade that surrounds you. Growing up takes time, so don't you waste mine. You and me ain't right. I'm wearing gold. You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young stupid fool. Take off all your clothes. You're nothing more than silverware. I'm over you, so done with you. I'm over you, so done with you. Why you wearing gold? You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young stupid fool. Take off all your clothes. You're nothing more than silverware. Broken future. All the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damage should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof. Look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry. walls in my apartment. I can't spend another second with my brain. Gotta get up and get out, but there's a problem. Every time I go outside, I see your face. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side, all day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright, we gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way.
Now, I did not show the cleaning of the downstairs bathroom because it's small, so I just took some before and after shots. Enjoy.
It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone, still missing you. Hey, I'm still missing you. Where you at? Where'd you go, babe? Can't you see that I need company? I'm losing it, losing my way. Only get through when it's you plus me. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Honestly, can't you just call me? Where you at? Where'd you go, babe? Let me fix my mistakes. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side, all day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright, we gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way, yeah. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone, still missing you. It's been a month since you've been gone.
I did get started on the upstairs bathroom, but midway through it, I got sick. So you will see that my daughter and my husband take over cleaning. As most of y'all know, and for all my new besties, I do not show cleaning the toilet on my channel. I just don't. I just have an issue with it, and I just don't show it. I don't film it. I also don't film the tub because you really can't see, because it's a clawfoot tub and it's special. But as you can see, I use Comet and Ajax to clean everything. That's how I get it done. I don't mess around with the bathroom. There's too many nasty germs in that bathroom. So you must use the Comet, must use the Ajax.
Still missing you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone, still missing
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body, too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced. Cause I won't track around, no dead weight. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, yeah, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You won't miss this body. Too late, oh, I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone. And don't leave the lights on for me. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh, I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up.
So don't buy any mops from the Dollar Tree, cause this is what happens when you buy them from the Dollar Tree. Just spend the money and get a good one.
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went home. But I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down now, baby. Go down now, honey. Go down now, baby. Go down, baby, give it up. Go down now, baby. Go down now, honey. Go down now, baby. Go down, baby, give it up. And I want you to meet my parents.
Alright, y'all, it's your favorite part. It's laundry time. Time to go and collect that piece of laundry, collect that basket, go switch those loads, whatever it is you need to do, because we are now we are at the end of the video. The rest of this video is just straight laundry. I'm going to show you how much laundry I have, sorting my laundry, and Lord knows it's going to take me a minute to get this done.
I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down now, baby. Go down now, honey. Go down now, baby. Go down, baby, give it up. Go down now, baby. Go down now, honey. Go down now, baby. Go down, baby, give it up. Go down now, baby. Go down now, honey. Go down now, baby. Go down, baby.
you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself. 'Cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself. You are only bringing out the worst in me.
All right, here it is, clothes sorted. I have my light clothes, dark clothes, red, purple, gray, all can be washed together. Then I have another load of white clothes, more dark clothes. Of course, me and my husband's clothes get washed together, but I wash his hang up stuff along with my hang up stuff first, and then anything that goes into the dryer can go by itself. Towels, washcloths, those go all together. My kitchen towels and things are separated. Comforters are separated. But as you can see, I have a lot of laundry to do.
I'm drowning underwater.
Alright, y'all, we're at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this whole house clean. And don't forget to go over and check out Miss Melissa's channel. Tell her that I sent you. If you came over from Miss Melissa's and you made it all the way to the end, leave me a comment down below. Introduce yourself. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Bestie crew. Thank you so much, Melissa, for doing this collab with me. And I can't wait to catch y'all in the next one.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful.